Hey guys, it is June the 26th of 2013. I want to go to Euro. Just want to let you know my thoughts and my opinions, and please consult a professional financial advisor. Trading the Forex market is very risky, so know that this is just my opinion. With that being said, let's get into the chart. This is a chart that I have, which I call um, possible turns, and you can see that I have some dates indicated here: 616, and we finally got to the 7-7. And this is my forecast on the euro, where I think, not price wise, I mean, I'd be surprised if price will end up over here, which is the 24.39 ish, around there, but I think it's going to turn around there on the 8th, and I'll tell you why. Besides the calculation one, but somewhere between the 8th, which will probably be, well, that's Friday, so maybe I think that's Monday. But whatever the 8th is, I think the euro's going to continue going down. Might have some pops here or whatever, but once it hit the 8th, it might turn. Um, let's go into price and time on the euro and see what we have there. As you can see, it broke key levels. It broke a lot of support, man. This thing has just been chopping and then just failing like big time. You failed the 38.2 Fibonacci level, 30.72. I got short around there at 30.70, and it failed that angle, and it's failed this angle. This is probably going to be your next support right there, which is, well, tomorrow will be 29.72, 29.70-ish right there. If you want to go by the one by one angle, that'll be your next probably support. If you fail that, you're going straight down to the 50, which is the 28 75 right there. Let's go into, let's see the monthly spiral, see what we have there. As you can see, this is support right now. As of right now, it's the 29.96, and the pink level, or pink spiral level, will probably be 29.05. So that'll probably be your next support if you're going by the spiral level. But we'll see. Uh, a resistance will probably be the pink one, 30.65. But I doubt it's going to get up there. It's failed like so many simple moving averages on the 12 hours. Not even funny. What else we got to show you? Let's go and glance this chart right away. As you can see, the point of control has failed, which is the 30.58. Let's get a little closer and zoom. Um, you got a big support right here, which is the 29.93, the bottom of the cloud. And you see price projecting within the 2 days in the future. It's already telling you this could probably be where it could land, 29, 26, around there. It found support at the Woody's monthly pivot point, and you got S1 right there, 29.47, and you got the 50, and you got Woody's S2 there, and the linear regression line over here. So you failed all these simple moving averages right here: the 20, the 50, the 200, the 100, and it just tanked. And point of control, 30.56. So this is where you at right now. And if you push lower, this is a 50 linear regression line. So I wouldn't be surprised if it finds a bounce around here, but we'll see. Let's look at the weekly and see what we got here. Same thing. My target is the 50 right here. That 29.67. I'm going to take some off the table once we hit that level right there. But it could go lower, and it could probably kiss this, or it could just kiss this cloud right here. It could go all the way down. So we'll see. Point of control was there, 36.62. Failed the 20. So obviously you're going to the 50. But you're in chop mode because you're in mobile band. So anything within this cloud, it will probably be really choppy until it decides what it's going to do. Let's see where the Chiku is. The Chiku already dug into price, so it's already in trouble. If it already gets under the Tenkin, it's going to push even lower. So we'll see. Let's look at the big picture. What our indicators are saying. Right here. We got the monthly, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour. Let's push this up a little bit. I want to show you what we got going on. Where's support? Because I think it's going lower. What I messed up was I failed to recognize that it failed the 50 twice right there, and then on top of that, it failed all these simple moving averages right here. So you fail the 100, the 200, the 50, the 20s up here. So, and you're pushing past the mobile band. So Timo was right. I was telling you from the get-go, from the 12-hour, stay short. This was already indicating you weakness from here, and it's just pushing, trending lower. It looks like the MACD is building, divergence here, but we'll see. CCI, once it gets into this level right here, it's going to be nitro, because it's going to be in zoom mode. It's probably going to get locked and push lower. You had some head fakes here. Looked like it wanted to pop, and now it looks like it's chopped. You're oversold on the 12-hour. You're kind of choppy on the TTM shortwave, and you're negative on TTM squeeze. This is a simple moving average over here, which it kind of coincides with the 50. I can't remember which is the purple one, but you fail the 50 here and this Fibonacci level. So if it fails the 50 on the weekly, you're definitely going to be going to the 50 on the daily Fibonacci level. Tima's telling you stay short. Mobile's telling you stay short. This is just kind of trending sideways. Fish is still negative, nothing positive here, so it's just telling you stay short on the daily. And on MMG, oversold. TTM shortwave, negative, nothing even positive here, and TTM squeeze, negative. On the weekly, same thing. We just got a red Hakanashi candle, and next week we'll see what's going to happen, or once we hit the 2967, which is going to be my first target. Tima just turned negative. You can see the MACD is just pushing lower, but the mobile bands is positive, and CCI just turned negative, still above the 0 line. The 5 and the 20 are below, but the 50 is still above. Fish is just building up arrows to telling you that things might just start getting ugly to going to the downside. And M&G just cracked the 50, so that's already negative. And interesting thing is that on the weekly, you got a squeeze play setting up. Last week and this week, it's prices contained, so it's going to pop somewhere, and it looks like it wants to pop to the upside, but looking at the 12-hour and the daily, it's not looking good. MMG is negative, and the monthly's the same. Nothing's changed. Chop just got negative. MACD is just kind of pushing lower. Mobile is just still like kind of positive. That's just sideways chop. This is still negative. That's a hockey stick, and you got a squeeze play on the monthly. Let's look at thermal to see if there's anything there. I don't know if anything has changed, but let's just peek at it real quick. Let's see. Well, you're already negative on the 12-hour, and you can see it by right here. All this just putting down, and Tima and thermal always looks like they always match. Just telling you, stay short, don't go long. And the daily is building up. Once this is red like this right here, all red, then there's more downside, and we'll see what's going to happen. But I'm short 30.70, so we'll see what's going to happen. My target is 29.67, the 50 simple moving average on the weekly, which is somewhere around here, which matches this simple moving average. And we'll see if it fails that. My next target will probably be the 28.75, which is the 50 Fibonacci level. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again. Peace.